In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Pytest in VS Code. Pytest is a popular testing framework for Python that makes it simple to write, discover, and run tests, and the VS Code extension streamlines that workflow right inside your editor. We'll walk through opening Visual Studio Code, navigating to the extensions view, searching for the Pytest extension, and installing it. I'll also share a few quick tips so you know what to expect during and after the install. Start by launching Visual Studio Code. Once the editor opens, give it a moment to load your last workspace or an empty window. If you have multiple projects, don't worry about which one is open right now. We're only installing an extension and it will be available across your VS Code setup. Make sure you can see the activity bar on the left side of the window. That's where we'll find the extensions icon in the next step. Open the extensions view from the left sidebar by clicking the square icon made of 4 blocks. This brings up the extensions marketplace along with a search bar at the top. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+Shift+X on Windows or Linux or Command+Shift+X on Mac OS to jump straight here. The marketplace lists featured and installed extensions, and you can use the search field to quickly locate what you need. In the search box, type Pytest and pause for a second while results load. You should see a Pytest-related extension that integrates with VS Code's testing tools. Before installing, glance at the name, publisher, description, and reviews so you pick a trusted option that suits your workflow. The right choice will mention Pytest support and test discovery. When you've identified the extension you want, make sure its details panel is selected so you can start the install. Click Install on the extension page. VS Code will download the files and enable the extension. You may see a brief status message, and sometimes you'll be prompted to reload the editor. Go ahead and reload so everything activates correctly. You'll know it's finished when the install button changes to uninstall or disable. From here, the extension is ready. When you open a Python project that uses Pytest, tests can be discovered in the testing panel. If nothing appears, ensure your project's environment includes the Pytest package and that the correct interpreter is selected. That's all you need to install Pytest in VS Code.